good boy going on his jolly bobs. He's a good sheepherd.
Dexter!
We're going on holiday and Dexter is in a mood because he has to travel in the back seat.
Who's hiding his head? Dexter!
I'm shy. Dex! It's not.
Hello everyone and welcome to Dexter Blue Staffy Diaries. We're taking Dexter on a much needed weekend breakaway to Rhuddlan in North Wales. It normally takes an hour from our home in Manchester, but the traffic was a little heavy on Friday afternoon, with everyone having the same idea to make the most of a lovely weekend of sun. We booked a beautiful little cottage in a fantastic location, so Dexter is having a play in the garden while we unpack. We made sure to book somewhere with a secure back garden, and this one is perfect. He's very excited to be here, clearly.
Yeah! Yeah!
We took Dexter to the beach when he was just a few months old. We actually made a video on this, so please check it out. Unfortunately, it was so windy last time that we only lasted 2 minutes.
Dex!
The next morning we ventured a bit further to Colwyn Bay, where the sand was even cleaner and Dexter seemed to have even more fun, if that's possible. This weekend the weather is almost perfect, so this feels more like Dexter's official first time on the beach. Well, we loved it.
Dexter! Oh.
I reckon it's because everything smells like his favourite food. Fish.
Dexter! Where'd you go? Oh yeah?
Next we went to Rhuddlan Nature Reserve. It was so quiet and peaceful and we got to see lots of wildlife.
Yeah. Ah, you're a good boy. Where are we going, Dad?
Dexter is the friendliest dog you could ever wish to meet and wants to say hello to all animals.
Dex, what's this? Who is it, Dex? Who is it? Listen. Guy who's doing his shoes. Dexter, come this way.
We eventually found this fantastic little spot, so picturesque. We stopped for a little while to take in our surroundings. Pretending to be normal now he's realised the camera is on.
Dexter!
We went back to the beach again on our last day because Dexter loved it so much.
He's a big one!
He doesn't like the cold water on his belly quite so much.
Come on!
Well, I can safely say I've never seen Dexter this worn out. If you've hung around until now, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. Until next time, guys, love to you all.